Okay, so in this next task, we're going to just print the data in a nice, column format. Let me just show you. I'll run this. Okay, I'm not going to enter any new ones just to keep things moving here. And so this is what I mean. So we're going to line this all up nicely. I've got a field width of about 55 characters here for the item. And the price, I think that's in a field width of about 10 characters. I set the field width for the price because I wanted to, no, often you don't have to line up the last column, but I wanted to right align the money, which is typical. String data like these, the item names, are typically left aligned in computing in general. And left aligned for text data or string data, and then numeric data are right aligned. So we're going to follow that convention here. So what we have are the column headers, all right? So just using F strings here. We talked about this technique in class. So here's my 55, the item, okay, this is what we're looking at here, this word item that is in a field width of 55 characters left aligned. Okay, so that's not the first time we've seen that. Okay, I just want to reiterate that. So you have to like use different style of quotes. Like I use double quotes on the outer F string, and because of that, I have to use single quotes on these little inner strings here. Okay, it wouldn't work if I used double all across the board or single all across the board, right? And then, so I did not align that column header. I guess I can just for the sake of consistency here, and let me do that. So, whoops, I'm in the wrong place. And we said we were going to right align that at 10 characters. So let me just run that, make sure it looks okay. Okay, and you see it really had no effect. I just want to be consistent there. Okay, so, and then we have a dashed line. And then I used a for loop with a range. And I have a loop counter I. We're measuring against the length of the items, just because we don't know how many items are going to be in these lists. If the user said, yes, I want to enter more, I mean, they could enter 20 more for all we know, or they can enter 2 more. So we have no idea. So you cannot hard code a number in here. We just have to find out what the length of the items list is, or the prices list, either one, they're both the same length. And then that's going to be plugged in there. So we get our range of numbers that'll allow us to iterate over these lists in parallel. Okay, so then we have our print statement with the F string. So here, the first thing I'm printing is the item, reaching into that items list, using the loop counter as the list index. We've talked about that many times. Here I'm doing the alignment thing, okay, the left align in a field width of 55. And then I'll dive right into the prices. I do the same, loop counter as list index. And we're right aligning at 10 characters wide. And you know what? I want it to look like money with 2 decimals. So I know this looks weird. It looks like 10.2, but it's just, this is the 10 for the field width. And then we can just dive right into the 0.2f that we've seen before to format the decimal places. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop this video, and then in the next video we're going to look at some of the calculations.